What causes ocean pollution? Have you ever wondered how our oceans become polluted? The answer lies largely in human activities. Approximately 80% of the pollutants entering the ocean come from land-based sources. This pollution has a serious impact on marine life and sea animals, disrupting their habitats and health. One of the main causes is non-point source pollution, which comes from many small sources rather than one identifiable location. When it rains or when snow melts, water carries pollutants like oil from vehicles, dirt, pesticides, and fertilizers from farms into rivers and streams. These waterways eventually flow into the ocean, poisoning marine animals and damaging coral reefs. Another significant contributor is intentional discharge from industrial plants. Some factories releases toxic waste, including heavy metals like mercury, directly into the ocean. Additionally, sewage and untreated wastewater introduce harmful bacteria and nutrients, which can lead to oxygen depletion in the water. This creates dead zones where marine life cannot survive. Plastic waste is another major issue. Items like bags, bottles, and microplastics enter the ocean through littering and poor waste management. Plastic pollution is particularly harmful because it can entangle animals and be ingested by marine species. Once in the ocean, plastic can persist for hundreds of years. Oil spills also pose a serious threat. Accidental releases of crude oil from ships, drilling rigs, or pipelines create toxic slicks on the ocean's surface. Oil coats the bodies of marine animals, damaging their insulating fur or feathers and contaminating their food sources. This often leads to long-term health problems or even death. Chemical runoff from agriculture is another cause of ocean pollution. Pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers wash into waterways and eventually the ocean, introducing toxic substances that harm marine organisms. Industrial chemicals and synthetic compounds also contribute to the pollution of marine environments, affecting fish, invertebrates, and mammals. Airborne pollution is yet another factor. Pollutants from the air, such as dust and chemicals, can settle into the ocean, further contaminating marine habitats. From the perspective of marine life and sea animals, these pollutants disrupt feeding, breeding, and sheltering behaviors. Toxic substances accumulate in their bodies, leading to illness and reproductive failure. Oxygen depletion caused by excess nutrients and debris reduces the available habitat for many species, causing population declines. Monitoring ocean pollution involves collecting data on these pollutants and their sources. This information is essential to understand their effects on marine ecosystems. It helps guide conservation efforts aimed at reducing pollution input, protecting vulnerable species, and restoring damaged habitats to support healthier marine life. By staying informed and taking action, we can all contribute to the health of our oceans.